Happy Sunday, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And this video is going to be about a vlog, Sunday vlog. So how I am spending my days at home during this quarantine, this lockdown time. So I'm trying to not get bored. So yeah, that's the most important thing because otherwise you'll lose it. So yeah. And I'm going to show you what I do on usual days because now every day is Sunday. I hear the whistles from my cooker because I'm cooking Rajma Chawal. I'm from Jammu and I love Rajma Chawal, like my favorite dish ever. And apart from that, today I'm just thinking to make Dalgona coffee and let's see how it goes. I'm just going to do my daily chore, what I do and how I relax and what to do to not get bored. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so if you remember, मैंने एक वीडियो किया था कभी-कभी घर पे भी रहना चाहिए और रिलैक्स करना चाहिए और now it's like coming true क्योंकि now we are at home and we have to be but I'm really enjoying this time. Just let me know if you are getting bored. This won't let me talk. So yeah, I just wanted to talk like what exactly you guys are doing at home. Is it like too tiring for you also? Tiring in the sense like if you are getting bored and you don't know what to do. I just want to tell that do random stuff. Try to just pick it up on one of your hobbies because I know everybody has their own hobbies and I think I'm going to burn the rice as well. No. I was about to burn the rice, so I think it is kind of done. You see my Rajma already. So yeah, let's go. See, it's really a bright sunny day outside. Mahabharata and Ramayana is coming these days on DD National and that's really amazing. I have not seen it yet but I am planning to. But I am seeing a lot of series on Amazon Prime and even on Netflix. Like on Netflix I am just binge watching Friends like back to back. It's just, I think this is the only show that makes me really happy. I really laugh. Like I never used to watch it before. My sister suggested and I know. You must be thinking what a weirdo, but yeah, but I started it now and it's just really amazing. I'm on season 8 so fast. In a month I just reached season 8 on Amazon Prime. The first season that I saw was Nikita. I don't know if you know that, but it has 4 seasons, a lot of episodes in every season, but it's really amazing. It's like a crime thriller kind of thing, like some assassin kind of series that is really amazing. Then I started watching Jack Ryan, that has 2 seasons. It's really nice. The first season I liked better. Then I started Panchayat. कहाँ देखा था? Amazon Prime पे या मतलब YouTube पता नहीं कहीं तो था, हाँ मुझे याद नहीं है, but हाँ पंचायत. Then I am right now I'm watching Mentalist. I saw it I just read the reviews. I really liked the concept, so I really like the person also who's acting. The actor is really nice. I'm going to say one thing. I know it's a very bad situation out there. People who are suffering, I really feel bad for them. But for people who are safe at their homes, don't feel like, oh my god, it's a tough time, because guys, it's not a tough time at all for you guys who are staying at home, and especially who are having their jobs, who have not have any problem with their salaries and all. You guys are really lucky. Feel blessed and enjoy this time at home. But for people who are really going through like about the daily wages, they have this problem. For them, let's just try to help out in any way that you can. Probably help the people at your home, like your maids, if they're not coming for now, which is for good, for their own safety, for your own safety. But don't cut out their salary. Just try to be generous for this particular time and just pay their salaries to them, even if they are not coming and doing any work, because it's really important. And also please feed dogs outside, cats or any stray animals that you see. I'm done cooking. Rajma chawal is ready and it's yummy. Okay, I just removed the mask. I'm just going to hydrate my skin with this rose water. I'll spray it a little bit. My Dalgona coffee is almost ready. It's really delicious. I really loved it. So try it at home. You'll really like it. To read this book which I've been reading for a long time. It's The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down, and it has really, beautiful pictures, and it's really very soothing book. It has a lot of lessons, a lot of teachings, and it really calms me down. Now I am going to make full use of my this free time this Sunday. I have started learning about guitar, so I am taking online classes. It's like I have not subscribed to anything or yet, but I have few of YouTube channels which really teach guitar, so I'm just going to do that.
You'll actually see Taylor Swift use these chord shapes a lot on stage, and even in the song, she uses this chord shape all over. She just moves it like.
खो गई है मंजिल कहीं राहों में, कहीं तो है नशा तेरी मेरी हर मुलाकात में। होठों से होठों को चूमते रहते हैं हम हर बात पे, कहती है फिजा जहां तेरी ज़मीं आसमां, जहां है तू है मेरी हंसी, मेरी खुशी, मेरी जान।